Hello, I would like to share my gardening journey with you all. I've been gardening for the last 3-4 years and I still consider myself as a beginner, and I would like to encourage other beginners as well in the gardening process. So we live in a cold place in US and our gardening period is usually from May to September October time frame. And I love gardening and I hope you find this video useful. So let's get started. Here are some basic tools you will need for gardening. So I think I got this set from dollar store. But then again, they may not be of that great quality. But if you're doing it for the first time, you could just give these a try. I also recommend buying a gardening gloves like this to protect your hands while gardening. And this is a watering can that I use to water the plants in my pots. So let's say you're in an apartment, you may not really have a tap outside and you may not have a garden hose and all that to water your plants. So this would be an easier way to water your plants. Got a lot of seed packets like this from Home Depot, Walmart and so on. Also got some Indian seeds from friends here. I planted some of these Indian veggies inside my home in April. And now it's May and I'm going to transplant those outside. If you're a first time gardener, I wouldn't bother growing and germinating all the seeds inside the house first and then transplanting them outside. It may be better to just get small tomato plants and pepper plants from a nursery and start off with those. And then next year, once you get more experience, you can start playing around with other things too. I used the soil from this Miracle Grow potting mix that I got from Costco to fill up my pots. I also use this Miracle Grow plant food for my plants. I just put this in water and use it on my plants every 2 weeks or 4 weeks. It helps your plants grow really well. I have this small space in my backyard and I'm going to convert this into a garden bed and plant some veggies here. So first I'm going to clear out all these stones and put some soil on top and make it ready for gardening. Got this Miracle Grow garden soil from Costco and also some cow manure from Home Depot, and I'm going to layer all these into this space and I'll show you when it's done. So my garden bed is ready now. I used about 3 bags of garden soil and 1 bag of compost and layered on top like this. Done planting half of the area. I've planted tomatoes and green peppers. I have different types of tomatoes here and few colored peppers, and I'm going to use the rest of the space to plant some eggplants and some chilies here. I've also planted some cucumbers and few other Indian vegetables here, and I'm planning to let them grow on this gazebo. On one side of my house, I planted a lot of lilies and also some gladiolus here. These are all gladiolus. They're just 1 or 2 lily plants, but then this year I've spread them quite a bit. As you can see, they're all over in this line. Also got all my pots ready with Miracle Grow potting mix that we get from Costco, and I sowed some seeds in each of these. I got some of these pots in Costco and some in nurseries and some in Home Depot. Okra, cilantro, spinach, sorrel leaves, some amaranthus and so many other varieties. I'll show you the status after a couple of weeks. Few tips with pots are: make sure they have big holes at the bottom to allow for good drainage. Next, put some stones at the bottom of the pot and then on top of that put Miracle Grow potting mix. Water it well and then sow your seeds and then put another small layer of Miracle Grow potting mix. Press it gently, water it again, and that's it. You just have to place these pots in a nice sunny area and water them regularly and you're all set. I hope you like this video and start gardening as well. Please do subscribe if you want to follow along my gardening journey. Thank you for watching. Bye.